Welcome back to the Mexican Food Channel. Today we're trying 3 types of different mangoes and we're preparing them all like this. We're gonna see which one's sour and which one's the sweetest. Let's start off by peeling our mangoes. This is called a Hayden Mango. These are sweet, slightly tart, and more flavorous than the Ataulfo. Has a classic mango flavor with a nice balance of sugar and acidity. Now peel the Ataulfo and the mini green one too. Let's start preparing them. I'm gonna use this wooden stick so it can hold them. Cut a little bit off the bottom and stick it in there. Since this one's a little bit bigger, I'm gonna use 2 sticks around the seed. Trust me, just use 2. In goes the second one. And I think this was gonna need 2 as well. Yeah, let's do 2. Next, we're gonna cut slices like this so it can look like a blossoming flower. Make it overlap a little bit. Start from the bottom and slowly go up. We're gonna use the same concept on the other 2 mangoes. Let's start slicing up this one. Notice how I'm slightly pushing it back as I cut it. It's gonna allow the chamoy and the Tajín to fall in there perfectly. You can even eat it like this, but we're gonna spice it up. You savvy. Do the same to this one. Now we're gonna add the chamoy, the Tajín, and the chile en polvo. Start adding the chamoy. These are the mini green mangoes. They're super sour when green with a slightly fibrous texture. As they ripen, they get a little sweeter, but not as juicy as the fully mature varieties. Now let's add the Tajín all over it. Next is the chile en polvo. Sprinkle some on top. And this one's ready. Go ahead and repeat the process for the other 2. This is the Ataulfo mango. These are buttery, smooth, sweet, low fiber, and super juicy. It's considered one of the best mangoes for eating raw or blending into drinks or desserts. At the Chamoy and the Tajín. Alright, this one needs a little extra. Now the chile en polvo. And this one's ready too. Alright, let's add the chamoy to this one. Add the Tajín. And the chile en polvo. So guys, are you subscribed to our channel already? If not, do us a favor and subscribe. It really helps out our channel. Please say thank you. Alright, this one's done. Before I give it a taste test, I'm gonna add a couple drops of lime juice. It's gonna make it extra delicious. And it's taste test time! We're gonna start with the mini green mangoes. Crunch! This one's super sour. I really recommend it to the sour lovers. Now my favorite, the Ataulfo. Yeah, this one's really good. Now for the big juicy Hayden. These are good too. Let me get another taste. Well, that's it guys. Let me know which one's your favorite. Is it the Hayden? Is it the Ataulfo? Or the mini mango? Let me know what you think in the comments.
Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, and see you on the next one. Love ya!